Yo, a link and I say 3 that I'm there to talk about different types of girls. Loneliness. Loneliness is a sense of emptiness inside.
Lonely girls embrace loneliness because them not have nobody to talk to. Most of the time, them insecure.
Oh, I don't need a man. Oh, it's gonna be me, myself, and I tonight. Girl, I don't need a man to complete me. I got me.
At the end of the day, we all need somebody to talk to. Then we have
attention seekers.
Alright, so the attention seekers one of them now. I wanna always, constantly seeking somebody approval or comfort.
The girl them on Facebook will post every minute and say like my status. And them post like 100 posts a day. Them have over 600 pictures. Them always half naked on them Facebook. Them always ask people for like them status and like them picture.
Ladies, please, don't sell yourself short for a thumbs up on Facebook.
Then we have
talkative. Talkative girl them chat too much.
To the other girl them now. Hold on, let me take that call. Yeah, babes, what going on? I'm gonna call her back now. No, I'm not there no way. Yo, stop your nice no man. Hey girl, chat too much now.
Then we have
stalker. Possessive girl them will always a watchman. The opposite for watchy pumps. What do you call it? What I say watchy wood, I don't know.
Girl them will always dip on your case. FBI always want to know where you there, what you do, who you with, all of them shit there.
Them always a watch them on them.
Then we have
damage. Damage is a girl who come out of a bad relationship with a broken heart.
Most of the time when you're damaged, you find it hard to love an next person again. At the end of the day, these all add up to a girl that has been mistreated in a relationship. Broken heart, have no one to talk to, just need love. I'm here for you if you need me.
You black boy, what you tell say you love?